Hello, so today I will review the RCA 7-pound portable washer. This one is branded by RCA, but there are many different brands that look exactly the same. They are 7-pound, they are basically even the same color. It comes with the drain hose and with the water inlet hose. It comes with the quick connect, one portion you put into the kitchen faucet, and this one is screwed on the water intake hose, and then you just quick connect it like this, and it actually holds pretty well, it doesn't leak. When you open it inside, it actually looks like it's a stainless steel, and there is a lint collector which you remove the lint and then put it back, and you put this back in here. It takes 7 pounds, holds 7 pounds of laundry. I actually took the laundry basket and I measured the weight, and this is 7 pounds, exactly the full thing, the full one. So I will plug it in, so we connect to water supply, and that's it. So you turn on the water, press power, you choose the water level. 5 is full, and then you choose the program. I will choose it to normal, and you press start, and then the water will start to flow. As you can see, if you open it, the water will stop flowing. Let me show you. Boom, the water stops flowing. I close it. If I close it, you have to press the start again, and well, have to wait for it to fill. And once it fills, I will add the laundry detergent. Usually, you can add it in the beginning. I like to add it when it has water in it. So we can open it and we can add the laundry detergent. Yes. And close it and press go, start, and then it will. Let's see if there's, well, maybe when I opened it, it reset the water level, so we have to close it again. Let's do it again. Yeah, it will add some water.
In the meantime, we can measure it. So it's
almost 18 inches. It's like 17 3/4 by 18. No, actually 19 by 19, because there is something sticking out in the back. So it's 18 by 19, but if you measure the hose, then it will be 21. If you measure this hose, so it will be like 20 and a half. So it's 18 with the hose 20 and a half. And let's measure the height. The height is 31 inches. 31 inches. So it's still adding water. Well, let's see something. Well, so I added 7 pounds exactly, and you can see it's not really covered by the water, so we have to add less laundry because it's not spinning freely. It's not totally soaked.
Okay.
So we can close it. Level 5. Normal. Yes. Actually, we will take out some of it because it's too much. Let's see, a little bit more. Leave this dress. So just to be sure, we'll make level water 5 again, program normal, and start. Yes, now it's spinning better, but it tells you something that it's not really 7-pounder, but it's more like 5 pounds. So this is the spinning cycle. The washer is very stable. It's not vibrating at all.
It's kind of quiet.
It's kind of quiet actually, yes. Yes, it doesn't vibrate at all.